Hi, and welcome to an Anglesey Primary School e-safety guide. Making YouTube safer. Making what children watch safer. By signing in and using a family account on YouTube, you will be able to see what your child is watching, what they are commenting on, and what they may be uploading. Turn on safety mode. If you have a laptop or a desktop computer, scroll to the bottom of the home page and you can turn restricted mode on or off. If you have an Apple phone or iPad, head to settings and find restricted mode there. If you have an Android phone or an Android tablet, go to settings, then general, then you will find restricted mode. Lots of children want to be YouTube stars, but you must be 13 years old to have your own YouTube account. If your child does upload a video on an account held by someone over 13, make sure it is set to private. Otherwise, the information can be used by others for negative reasons. Comments. Turn comments on uploaded videos off or set them for approval. Negative comments received by children online can seriously damage their self-confidence and make them feel anxious. It can also affect their behaviour at home and school. Thanks for watching. For more help and advice, feel free to contact the school.